Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add money to your Coinbase account. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now to add money, tap onto the portfolio option at the bottom, just right here. Then here you can find the option of deposit. Now simply tap on it. Now here you can find deposit cash from your bank or deposit crypto from any crypto address. We are going to add money. Tap on to deposit cash from your bank, just right here. If you see something like this, you need to add the payment method first. Now go back and tap on to the three dot lines at the top left corner, just right here. Then tap on to profile and settings. Then here you can find add the payment method. Now simply tap on it. So here is the thing, if you see something like this on your mobile phone, then adding a payment method is not supported in your region or your area. So if it is supported, you can simply add a payment method which can be your bank account, and you can simply add money, and that's it. This is how you can add money to your Coinbase account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.